What's up, Last Ship Season 2? My name is Travis Van Winkle. I play Lieutenant Danny Green.
I'm Brent Foster. I play Wolf Taylor.
My name is Jocko Sims. I play Lieutenant Burke.
If you like Season 1, get ready for Season 2. It's going to be insane.
Put on your seatbelts, get your popcorn, because it's about to get nuts!
Yeah!